How to connect the Fitbit app to your Apple Health. So for this, we're going to click on the iPhone and watch icon at the top left corner, and then we will select this option to add phone. So right here, it will tell us what we're able to do once we connect it. We want to click on continue, read through this information and agree to it, and then click on continue once more. So once you have done this, then basically what it's going to ask you to do is to accept this from your Apple Health. So if we click on Apple Health here, then we have to go to sharing, and it's going to look like this. We want to go to apps and services, and then you want to enable all notifications or enable all services for Fitbit. So it's going to look like this. We want to click on turn on all. So hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.